Alright, kiddos, in problem 1-6, we have a curved or like a chamfered angled surface. And I'm going to show you how to draw this image or this part very quickly. So go to Inventor, start a new part, start a 2D sketch, and let's go back to that drawing. We know it's 2 by 1. So let's make a, let's start on the XZ plane. Make sure your top view is right side up. Click on the rectangle tool, and we're going to make that 2. So click and drag 2, tab over 1, enter. And let's see, yep, 2 by 1, and that's going up. That's going to be extruded 1.25. So finish your sketch, click extrude, and your distance is 1.25. Enter. And what we're going to do is cut out these sections here. So right click on this side, and we're going to just, again, we're going to click and just make an angled line. And then we're going to dimension it secondly. So dimension, click on the point, click on this corner. That's going to be 0.25. Uh-oh, that did not do what I wanted it to do. I'm going to just undo and try that again. So I'm going to project the geometry of the surface first. And then, yeah, there we go. Okay. Now let's try that again. Dimension, click on the dot and the corner, 0.25. There we go. And this one is 0.5. So from the corner to the point, 0.5. And close up that shape by drawing lines. Finish sketch. See how it says 0.75 right here? So we're going to extrude cut only 0.75. So click extrude, click cut, type 0.75, and then click on, oopsies, what's happening? I don't like that. Extrude. Something's going on here. There we go. Alright, now I can click extrude cut 0.75. And then do the same thing on the other side, but the opposite. Okay, so 0.25 here, 0.5 here. We're dimensioning those points. That's 0.25. This one is 0.5. I'm going to finish sketch and not close it, and let's see what happens. Okay, escape. So you got to move your mouse precisely so that it shades it. We're going to cut. Okay, there's problem 1-6. So let's save it and then start the technical drawing. So Control S. Problem 1-6. Save. And then click your new button, drawing. And we should know how to do this. So ANSI large, we're deleting that. Right clicking on sheet, adding sheet. What size should it be? A, you're correct. Click OK. Open up the drawing resources and the title blocks. Right click insert ANSI A. Click base. Move your front view to the left side here. Click the top view, click the side view, click the isometric view, click OK. Double click on the isometric, click on your shaded button, click OK. And then we're going to add the dimensions that you see here. So this 2, 1.25, 0.75, 1, and then those. Click on annotate. There's that dimension. There's this dimension. Okay, so we're going to click on the corners here to get that 1. And then we're going to click on the corners to get this 0.25. And again, the little intersections is where we click. And then right here, bam, and bam. So now that is fully dimensioned. I'm going to right click on, oops, let me double tap escape. We're going to right click on problem 6 here. We're going to update the summary and the eye properties, all caps. Problem 1-6. Subject is engineering. Author is your name. I'm putting my name. Manager is me, Cruz. Company, Kenzo, KHS, whatever you want. You can even make up your own company name. So I'm going to write Cruzies parts, and then apply, close, and then I'm pressing Control S to save that. And if you're connected to the printer, again, Control P will print. If you're connected to the printer, always make sure your scale is best fit. Make sure you're on the right printer. If you do not have your printer connected to your computer, come see me and I'll hook that all up for you. Click OK and it'll start printing, and you'll keep that in your portfolio. Alright, once you're finished with problem 1-6, move on. Go to this this technical drawings page and keep going. You're going to be making all of these and so much more throughout the course.